So in this question, we have been asked that a gas particle is striking a wall at a speed of velocity of 440 meter per second, and the mass of that particle is 4.65 into 10 raised to minus 23. We have to find the change in momentum, that is delta p. Now, first of all, the gas particle first strikes the wall with a momentum of p and also reverses with the same velocity and mass. So the reverse momentum is also p. Now the change in momentum is initial momentum minus final momentum. As the final momentum is in the negative direction, so it will be initial minus of final momentum. That will be equivalent to initial momentum plus final momentum. So the momentum will, the initial and final momentum are equal, so it will become 2p or double of p. So change in p is this. So change